Liquid spills can be hazardous. Act quickly with the Lubetech range. In the event of a spill, stop the leak at source if possible and safe to do so. Use spill absorbents as necessary and inform your supervisor who can escalate if required. In your workplace, make sure you know the locations of spill depots and emergency spill kits. Brandon's pneumatic press has a leak. The absorbency socks are placed around the base of the machine in a barrier-type semicircle with no gaps. Omar has noticed a small spillage on the workshop floor. The pads are easily torn along the perforation, making for a quick and easy fix. For larger spills, absorbency socks can be positioned in a complete circle, and 5 to 10 pads can be dispensed on top to completely draw up the spillage. Wendy recognizes the color-coded products. For outdoor oil on water spills, white pads, which float, absorb the surface oil. Similarly, for indoor water spills, black pads can be used. For hazardous chemicals, yellow pads must be taken from a chemical kit. And remember to wear the correct PPE. Our absorbency products come in 3 colors: white, black and yellow. But what's the difference? Well, white is for oil only. Yellow, that's for chemical spills. And black is reserved for maintenance spills. Remember, grey face down on the spill. Always place spent products in a secured blue hazard bag. Supplies running low? Time to order some more. Get in contact now.